So, is my voice clear now?
Very, very clear. It's better now.
Okay, so let's go with this. So, like I said, that this class is based on technical analysis. So, I'll be explaining VIX, which is volatility index. They all work together. VIX, this is a demo account which I'll be using and also do some practice as well. So, let me open a clean chart. Let's say VIX. Let me go with the VIX 100. Okay, so let me go with VIX 100. So let me go with VIX 100. So normally when it comes to technical analysis, we are talking about structures, market pattern. Most times we make use of trend line, also make use of support and resistance, and some others. So I usually start my analysis for daily, 4 hours and 1 hour, because I use higher time frame perspective to take a trade on a lower time frame, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 minute. Most times also use 30 minutes as well to join 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily to take a trade. Now, let's say, for example, we want to analyze VIX 100, VIX 100. I usually make use of my object alert to spot some of my trade. So let me put it on the chart. So let's say you want to analyze trade. Now, normally I do make use of market structure. Let me not you guys. I will please everyone should not themselves. Okay. I want everyone. So I usually make use of market structure to know where the market is heading towards. So when I'm here about market structure, I'm talking about when market is been creating higher highs and higher lows. What I mean by higher highs and higher lows is that, example, let's say we are having a bearish market. Let's say we are having a bearish market whereby the market is coming down, then oh, whereby the market is coming down, whereby the market is coming down, it's creating these are our previous high and these are lower high, these are our previous low and these are our lower low. Then let's say is another lower high again. Then before the market creates a new low. Now, this is what I mean by market structure, whereby the market is creating a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and also apply to whereby the market is on a bullish movement, creating higher high. See, market is creating higher high like this, and uh, let's say the market is creating higher highs and higher low, something like this as well. Because we need to understand market structure to know where the market is heading towards. So I just want to give a briefly explanation of market structure before I jump to what I have for today. So So okay. Yes, this consider this one is market is on bearish movement. It's creating what we call high, lower high, low, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then you can see the market is creating. It started from this bottom, started creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is a bullish market structure and this is a bearish market structure. So let's use this scenario to analyze our chart. Now you can see that when a market creates a new higher high, you can see that there was a break of structure. You can see this was the previous high, this was the previous high before the market break this particular high to create a new high. And see, and here also was also a previous high before the market break and create a new high. And when we come to, you can see here was the previous low before the market break this previous low and create a new high. And here's another previous low before the market break this previous low to create a new high. Now, look, take note of this, that whenever market break a low, a previous low, and create a new low, there is always let's say 70% to 80% that the market will always come back for we always pull back to a certain level to continue that particular trend. The market, like whenever market break a new high like this, create a new high, there's 80% to 90% tendency that the market will always pull back to create a new pull back to a certain level to create a new high. So let's use this scenario to analyze our chart. So now, in terms of market structure on a daily time frame perspective, on a daily time frame perspective, you can see that on a daily time frame perspective, you can see that this was uh, okay. This was low, a previous low at this very spot, and this was, let's use from here, and this was previous high. So definitely this low break this previous high to create a new high, and you can see that when the market is going up, it kind of creating highs low, which is, if we should go to 4 hour time frame, you can be able to see this well on 4 hour time frame. Let me bust that particular place. Okay, let me bust this particular place. Okay. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, you can see on 4 hour time, you can see that the market is creating higher highs and higher low. You can see this was the previous low, this was a new high. You can see that this particular low was not able to break this previous low. It came to at least 90% of it and created a new high. It come to 90% of it and created a new high, and you can see that after it created a new high, it created another new low at this particular spot. It created another new low at this particular spot, and it created a new high at this particular spot again. Then created a new low. I can see that when the market was not able to, create a new high, when it break this previous low that create a new high, the market tends to go on a bullish, on a bearish movement. But suddenly the market started continue the bullish movement on 4 hour time frame, because daily hour time frame, you can see that there was no break on the previous low. So most time higher time frame do control the lower time. You can see that on the higher time frame, which is on the daily time frame perspective, you can see when market created a higher low here, higher low here. There was not something like whereby market break this previous low. You can see the market still continue on the bullish movement. But on a 4 hour time frame, we notice a break of structure, but the 4 hour time frame was not able to control the daily time frame. You can see that on the 4 hour time frame, this was the previous high, this was the previous low that created this high. previous low that created the inside that was being broken. But most times, since like I said, that there was the previous low that created this new high, but it got broken at this particular spot. If we should put our, for example, you can see that it got broken at this particular spot, but on a daily time frame perspective, the market is still on bullish movement. You can see the structure is still on bullish movement on a daily time frame perspective, which the 4 hour time frame was not able to control the daily time frame. So let me take this out of the screen. Okay, this is 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour. I can see that when the market is actually coming there, you can see that it's creating what we call structure. You can see this was previous high, previous low, previous high. Whenever market break the previous low, it always try to have a reverse, like take at least 90 to 80% of the previous high, then before create a new low. So if by venture we want to analyze this market, you can see that this was, let's use this current spot where the market is to analyze the market. You can see that on this particular spot, you can see that it was this low that bought this high before creating a new low that bought this high. And if we should go to 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market creates something like a trade line at this level. Trade line at this level, you can see a three touch trade line. A three touch trade line at, let me take this out of the screen. Okay. You can see that on 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market created a trade line. I can see this was the first touch, the second touch, the third touch, and there was a break. When using trade line strategy is that whenever the trade line has already got to the third touch, what we are waiting for is for a break. I can see that immediately the trade line, here's the first touch, second touch, and the third touch, and the fourth touch was a break on the trade line. So when on a 4 hour time frame perspective, you can see that when if like currently on 4 hour time frame perspective, the market is on a bullish direction. Forget that we are getting this downside movement, because the reason why I say the market is on a bullish direction is that, like what I explained about market structure, is that you can see that this was the previous low that created this high. So in order for this market to turn to bearish movement, the the market need to break this low. The market need to break this low. The market need to break this low, because it was this low that created this new high that break this previous high. You can see that this high was broken. Even if you go to 1 hour time frame, we see clearly that this particular high was broken. So it was this previous low here that created this new high. So in order for the market to see that, okay, this market on 4 hour time frame is now on bearish movement, we need the market to break this previous low. So when the market was able to break the previous low to take out those people that buy the market, was able to take out those people that buy the market at, to take out those people that buy the market at this particular level, then we can see that, okay, the market is now on a bearish movement on a 4 hour time frame, because buyers are here, and currently this world that is holding bullish market structure. So our point of interest will be at this spot. So if we should go to 1 hour time frame, our major point of interest is at this level. This is our first point of interest. Sorry, our second point of interest, I mean, because I usually have 2 points of interest. Then why my first point of interest is this level. Let me spot it out. It will be at this level that, okay, it will be at this level. Let me spot this. So it will be at this particular level which the market is currently, which the market is currently. So this will be my first point of interest to buy the market up, and this will be my major point of interest to buy the market up, because why, this is the lower low that the market get to before it created this new high. So this is my first point of interest, and this is my major point of interest. So suddenly I can decide to set an alert at this particular stop that, okay, whenever the market get to here, whenever the market touch this level which is thick, whenever the market touch this level, it should give me a sell alert, and it should give me a signal, and to also repeat the signal. But I don't want the market to take a trade, because I need to see some confirmation before I will take a trade. So immediately the market get to this level, I will receive an alert from my phone and also from my system as well. So like I said, this is my first point of interest. So I can also say that, okay, if market get to this level, or if the market should close below this level, which is candlestick, if the candlestick should close below this level, it should send me a signal, and also repeat that signal as well, and give me a buy signal. If I'm not, as in, if I'm not active, it should keep on repeat that particular signal. So that is the reason of this. So whenever the market close below this level, it should give me signal, and also keep on repeating that particular signal, since the market is at this level. So since the market is at this level, so I can simply put a horizontal line at this particular level, which is this, because you can see when the market is also going up, it's also creating another market structure. You can see this was higher high, higher low, higher low. So I can say that whenever the market get to this level, which is this lowest low, yeah, that brought this new high, whenever the market touches low, which is thick, to touch this level, it should give me a buy signal as well. I do not want the EA to place a trade. I just need a signal from this one. So whenever the market get to this level, it should give me a buy signal as well. You can see that my point of interest is this level. You can see that I'm waiting for the market to get to this stuff. Then see, so maybe I usually take trade when I see double touch at this particular level. When market touch it, maybe I usually go to, like I said, I use smaller time for like 5 minutes, 15 minutes to take a trade. So whenever market get to this level, um whenever market gets to this level on 1 hour time frame, on 5 minutes, and I see double touch on it, I usually take a trade. And you can see that currently, understand uh, for those people that understand Wyckoff schematic, you can see that currently the market have created a schematic which is type 1 on Wyckoff schematic. You can see that this was a break of structure. If you should go to 1 minute time frame, you can see these were whereby the market take out liquidity. For those of you that understand Wyckoff schematic, you can see that the market take out liquidity at this level. So definitely market take out liquidity, which is the market just accumulate at this particular level. You can see I take out liquidity at this level, and there was a break of structure at this level as well. You can see that there was a break of structure, and it was a retest of this whereby the market take out a liquidity. You can see the market started buying, and you can see the market started buying at this particular level as well. You can see that currently at this very top, the market distribute at this very top here. And whenever market accumulates, we are expecting the market to buy, and whenever the market distributes, we also expecting the market to sell as well. So like I said, on our 1 hour time frame perspective, we are waiting the market to get to this level to give us some maybe some candlestick rejection, or like I said, double touch candlestick patterns, or double touch, or engulfing candle at this level, bullish engulfing candle at this level, they will buy the market up. Like I said, on 4 hour time frame, the market is still on a bullish movement. Well, we can always say that the market is on a bearish movement when it breaks this previous low. But currently the market is on a bullish movement on 4 hour time frame perspective. So you can see these are quickly a quick analysis on VIX 100. So also on VIX 100X as well, which I've already think I've analyzed, can see the reason why I spotted this line here is that it's very easy. Let me take this out. Let me also take this out as well. Okay, let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let's see daily time frame. So you can see that on day time frame perspective, we are currently on a bearish movement. You can see on currently on a bearish movement, on daily time frame perspective. You can see it. You can see that this. You can see structure. You can see the structure. This on what that create this low. With the whole and the market has already broken this low, and is waiting for text to come to this level. If we see on 4 hour time frame as well again. So let's go back. So we need to understand market structure because it's one of the key. So let's see 1 hour time frame. Okay. You can see on 1 hour time frame, you can see these are market structure. You can see highs. It was a pullback, and this was a new high. You can see the market have already currently broken this lower, this low, which is this low that created this high. So definitely we're expecting the market to sell. So at least this level should be our first take profit. This level should be our first take profit. So this level should be our profit, and this level should be our first take profit because the market can have a turning point at this level. So the market might like it to have a turning point at this level. So here should be our first take profit, and here should be our second take profit. But we are driving the market at least to this on 4 hour time frame perspective. We are driving the market. Let me take this out of the chart. At least we are driving the market at least to create a new low, which is towards this particular level. At least the market should create a new low. So daily at least to create a new low towards level, to create a new low. So we are driving the market down. So you can see that with the concept of market structure and some little idea of trade line as well, and when it comes to semantic, you can see we're able to get the direction of the market, to know where the market is heading towards on the 4 hour and also on 1 hour time frame perspective. So let me still go to other chart to see if I can able to okay, let's see, this is VIX 25. Let's see if we see something okay, consider this structure. So like currently you can see this is a bullish market structure. So currently this low was not able to create a new high. This low was not able to create a new high. This low was not able to create a new high. So definitely our point of interest will be at this level, because seeing this low was not able to create a new high, and if the market should get to this low, if the market should get to this low, which is this, if the market should get to this low, at least we are expecting the market to break this low, because why this low was not able to create a new high, was not able to break this new high, because whenever a previous low break a new high, we can see that okay, the market is still on a bullish movement. But seeing the previous low was not able to break this new high, and the market started selling down. So our point of interest is for the market to get to this level. If our point of interest is for the market to get to this level, let's say 30 minutes. If the market to get to this level, at least when the market get to this level, it should get to a at least get to this level. If the market should at least to continue the buy movement, we should see some bullish patterns here. We see some bullish patterns here. But if the market should get to this level, which is this, and we see that the market close below this level, definitely we are expecting the market to sell. We are expecting the market to sell on the VIX 25. So if the market should break this particular level, if the market should break this particular level, we expect the market to sell at least to this level, because currently this is what that is holding bullish structure. This is what that is holding bullish, because this particular low was not able to do anything. So this is what that's currently holding bullish structure. So before you can see that, okay, this market is now we have 10 minutes to go. Before you can see that this market is now on a bearish movement, the market need to break this low, because this low was one that created this the previous high, but this low was not able to do anything. So before you can see that the market is now on a bearish movement, the market need to break this previous low. So we have 10 minutes to go. So I will leave you guys to ask question. If you guys have any question to ask, let me unmute everybody. So you can unmute yourself if you have question to ask.
So, hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So, before you pick any trade, must you look for a break in market structure?
You say?
Must you look for a break in a market structure on a higher time frame before you pick your trade?
Like I say that most time higher time frame do control the lower time frame. So if example that if the 4 hour time frame is on bullish, as in the structure is bullish structure, and maybe you are trying to sell on a lower time frame, maybe like 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Most times on 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you see that the market is selling for those time frame, because why? Higher time frame might be having a retracement. So since the higher time frame is having retracement, so the lower time frame will be selling. But e get to a spot whereby the higher time frame will get to, he started buying, unless that maybe there's a break, maybe on the higher time frame, maybe there was a break of structure, maybe that have already turned the turning point from buy to sell. But if on higher time frame the market is still on a bullish movement, there is no way the lower time frame can be able to control the higher time frame.
Okay. So, the second question is, I've been seeing your trades recently. How do you look at those sniper entry levels? How do you avoid much drawdown? This is
So
small account and go into bigger accounts.
so it's still the same thing you are talking. When you are able to got, okay, to know your direction on your higher time frame, maybe your 1 hour, 4 hour daily time frame, okay, you have seen that maybe like what I explained here on VIX, is here on VIX 100. uh, okay, you have seen, okay, currently on 4 hour time frame the market is on bullish
Yes.
movement, and maybe you are waiting for the market to get to it at least this level on a 4 hour time
Okay.
frame perspective. Now the market have gotten to this level. Now you will not use 4 hour time frame to take a trade. The other still you go to
You go to a lower
a
time frame.
lower time frame to see some bullish pattern at that particular level. To see some bullish pattern
Okay.
at that
So,
particular level. Like
so
on this 1 minute time frame here, you can see that, like, I don't know if you understand schematic. When it comes to schematic, you can see that there is a schematic here at this level. So the market might get to this level, to at least to this particular level here, and turn back to this level here on
okay.
1 minute. Let me. So the market
Do
might
you have
get
an
to this
indicator for
level.
that semantic, or you use your naked eye to spot it?
You see?
Do you have an indicator to identify the semantic level, or you use your naked eye to
No, no,
spot
no.
it?
It's your naked eye. There's no indicator. It's your naked eye.
Okay.
So like this, and this is what comes schematic at this particular level here. You can see this is a manipulation, and this was a big construction, and this was the text before the market started buying, and the market is going to say, so if the market gets to this particular level and it was not able to break it, you can definitely buy the market up. By this now you are able to
Okay.
get a tight stop loss, because your stop loss will be at this level below here, and this is on a 1 minute time frame. So taking it on 1 minute time frame, you can see that you can able to use at least smaller account, maybe like $10 to get at least $100 to $200 by risking a little money here.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, can you also do analysis on 1 hour time frame, apart from using H4 and the one?
I think I explained 1 hour time frame. You can see these are on 1 hour time frame. You can see that this was a break of structure here on a bullish movement,
Yes.
and this was the text at that particular level.
So like this one that is explaining now, you wait for the market to get to that blue area. That's the
On
second
4 hour
blue
time
area.
frame.
That's your point of
This
interest.
one is on 4 hour time frame to get to this
Okay,
level
so
at
on the
least.
1 hour time frame now, how do you
Then
take
on 1 hour time
analysis?
frame, on on 1 hour time frame, like I say that what started this bullish movement is at this level. So simply
Yes,
means I
yes.
still need to wait for the market to still get to this level because this bullish movement
That's your point
started
of
at this
interest
level.
one.
Yes. For this bullish, no, my first point of interest will be this level on 1 hour time for this level. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
No,
Then
no,
my
no,
then
no,
my
no, no.
second point of view, which is my major point of interest, will now be this level. Yeah, because this is where the bullish market started for me. So this will be my major
Okay.
point of interest because the market might likely to break here to get to here, or the market might likely
Oh,
to respect here and started going up on 4 hour time frame.
okay. So that means you have like two trials
Yeah,
before you enter
yeah,
the market.
yeah.
Oh, understand. Then sorry, concerning the mentorship, the one for the Saturdays, is it just for the weekends class alone? Just 1 weekend or continuous for more
One
months?
weekend, just for every weekend, just 2 days.
Okay, like Saturday, Sunday
Yeah,
for the next
expire.
1 month.
No, Saturday,
That's
Sunday
for every.
expire. Yeah, from every
Oh,
Saturday, Sunday you renew.
okay. Because I
Yeah.
would really like to get into that mentorship. I like what I'm saying.
For every Saturday and Sunday you renew your training fee.
Okay, okay. Wow, that is really nice trading strategy. And it's wonderful.
No problem. This class will soon be over. I don't know if any of you guys have question.
Sorry, can you tell us how to use the objects as well?
It's very easy if you get it. You can. It's very easy to use. Like this object out in different way. Like example, maybe let's say maybe you are a scalper example. Maybe let me just take multiple trade here. So the object out in different ways. I can just take one trade at this level. Maybe a scalper. I just want to scalping trade. Then with the help of the object, maybe I've been like close to 100 trade. I can close the trade by just clicking just this button. All the trade will
Okay.
close. And also, it also help in sense that maybe I want to be taking trade on my account manually. So you always can able to close can able to manage my manual trade. And
Okay.
there's a way whereby I can say okay on every maybe like this 100 trade I open I can say okay the my minimum loss for the 100 trade should be maybe $10. So whenever all the trade as whenever all the trade put together is giving me total of $10 is going to close all the trade. Or if I can see that okay I'm targeting like $100 for all the trade I open. So immediately all the trade gets to that particular spot, it will close it. I can decide to sell it for all market on that particular pair, just like that. So normally for the videos usually comes with it. I explain everything. And maybe also if you also have maybe Telegram channel or Telegram group, by you setting an alert here, you can still forward to your Telegram channel or your Telegram group by
Okay.
automatically. Maybe you are 100% sure that when the market break this trade line, it's going to sell. So immediately you
Yeah.
break this trade line, it's going to forward the signal to your Telegram group as well. So all the feature normally will be explained on the folder that cover the update alert.
Okay.
So I don't know if there's still any other question. And also
So I'm gonna calculate.
And also, we also have another stuff here. Let me just bring it out. Let me take it out of the screen. S5. Let me remove this.